Lola. I am the Riri from Big Brother Mzansi Magic, and I was the third person evicted from Big Brother Mzansi, and yeah, that's just me. It was something that was life changing. It was something that was annoying at times. Sometimes it made you upset, sometimes it made you happy, a whirlwind of emotions. That's the house. I'm gonna miss my people. I'm gonna miss my people in the house. I'm gonna miss MK, my hubby. I'm gonna miss my Twinnie Tando. I'm gonna miss the drama. That's what really. So Saul needs to leave the house. That's I can't even do it. So Imke and I will definitely remain close. We live in the same province, so we will definitely meet up, catch up, and yeah, carry on with our friendship.